guys, what is going on? And you're watching Expert Guy here. Today I'm back in a special video for y'all, and today's video is gonna be on how to make intros slash outros for YouTube videos and channels in 2018. So we are gonna be discussing about both intros as well and outros as well, because you guys know this tech channel is basically all about everything in the which is happening around, and you guys are requesting me a lot to make a tutorial on this as well. Here's one of the person who requested me to make a video on this as well. His name is Gaming Palace, so you guys can check him out as well. So this basically one of my friends, my greatest friend, he what it's called, told me about this site where we can make free intros and stuff like that, and it is so great and easy, because a lot of people ask me that expert, how should we make intros to Sony Vegas, should we use Blender, Adobe or stuff like that to make intros there, because those softwares are really hard to make intros as well. I know some of you are gonna say it's so easy to make intros through them, you need to just download the templates and stuff like that, but these thing which I'm gonna show you in the video, you're just gonna say this is so easy, man. This is the easiest method we have ever found to make intros and outros for YouTube videos. This make sure you guys go and check out my friend as well. His channel is gonna be in the description down below, because he was the one who told me about this method. So yeah, first thing is first, guys, whenever you come to the channel, make sure you guys go and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, because I upload daily great content, tutorial videos on gameplays, games and how-tos or like this every single day. So do that, turn notification bell on, and if you want to enter the giveaway, which is gonna be at 5,000 subscribers, it's gonna be a giveaway of Xbox Live codes, Steam wallet codes, PSN codes, then make sure you guys join Team Expert and help me reach 5,000 subscribers. Also like the video, let's try to reach possible 10 likes in this video, why not? And let's get straight into today's video, guys. So you need to head to Chrome, and this is the site where you need to head to PANZOID.com. okay, so I am inside here. I'm gonna show you guys this. Basically it's gonna take you here. Okay, so now choose any of the intros you want. All the intros are given here. There are a lot of trending, more creation, which if we put, then all these great outros as well. As you guys can see, this is an outro, so you need, and the method for outro is same for the intro. Okay, so if you learned how to do the intro, you learned how to do the outro. So we are gonna choose this intro, for example. I'm gonna go on open in Clipmaker, and it's so simple, don't get confused there, man. Okay, so basically I'm gonna choose this intro. Let's choose this intro because it looks more simpler. Okay, or maybe this one, because this looks sick, because I'm gonna do it for myself. Okay, as well. So you guys can play this as well. There you go. Okay, so when it pops up your name or just a simple name, what you need to do is basically just head over to this first and change this frame rate to 60. Okay, because you want it to 60 full FPS. Okay, then head over to this thingy, this right over here, object thingy. Okay, now basically these are all the viewers text and viewers text, name text and name text. Okay, now what you need to do is fonts are also given on this side, so you just need to change it. I'm going to change viewer to expert once and change the font to permanent mark. Do this once, then as you guys can see, it's expert at the background. I'm going to go another on viewers. I'm going to choose this as well to expert and choose the permanent marker font. As you guys can see, it's looking clear, a lot better, and I'm going to do it again, expert, boom, like that, permanent mark. Last one we are going to do it as well, expert, enter and permanent mark. There you go, guys. Now you need to head over to name as well, group name, and I'm gonna put guy like this once. I'm gonna choose the font to permanent mark like that, again GUI and to the permanent mark like that. Again we are gonna do it. You have to keep doing it until it's all like done to the same name. Okay, so one more time, and expert guy. There you go. It is simple, but some of the fonts are not even gonna have like these. They're just gonna have 1 to 2 texts. You guys need to do that. Now after you done it, don't get confused. As you guys can see, you done it every single thing right. Now if you want to change colors, obviously you can here. It's an option given down here to change colors as well, but I'm gonna go with this color because it matches the intro perfect. Now we're gonna play the intro, and just tell me how it looks, guys. It looks sick. Looks sick, isn't it? Now you need to head over to this button and you need to start video rendering. Block this or just accept it. I don't care about this. You just need to do that. Okay, once you hit render, your video is being rendering. Please stay on this way to ensure, and it's just gonna take 4 to 3 minutes to render the video. Okay, so basically what it does is it converts your video to MKV file. Now a lot of you gonna ask me that please expert, tell us how to convert it into MP4, because MKV file is not supportive in Sony Vegas Pro. So you guys need to, if you want, you can convert it to MP4 file as well. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you guys the site where you guys can convert your files. Its name is Online Video Converter. Basically what you need to do is choose a file here. Okay, just choose the file which after you have downloaded this file, and I'm gonna show you guys that as well in a second, so you guys don't get confused. This video is gonna be kind of big, but I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do. Okay, no worries. There's another intro as well I was seeing, which goes like this. So I was thinking to edit this as well, so it's a name one now. Okay, so because a lot of people also ask me that, expert, what if it was a name one, how are you gonna supposed to do it? Now see, there is gonna be group text here like this, all these things, don't get confused here. There is gonna be a name option somewhere here. Let me show you guys, like this group text. Yeah, you need to choose this. Okay, now you need to just change your name from here. I'm gonna write it expert once, like that. Again I'm gonna write it to expert, like that. Boom, it's changed. Now what you need to do is I'm gonna write this as well to expert, like that. And yeah, now you can change your fonts as well. If you want to change a font, some like bold font, you can do that. You can choose this font as well, permanent mark, anything. Okay, and it's same, you just need to head over here, download Start Video Converter. Okay, so I think our file is downloaded here. See, you got your option for download your video. Okay, you're gonna go and click that, and it's gonna tell you thanks for using PANZOID, your download is starting. Because guys, this is the easiest method to make intros. As you guys can see, my video is here downloading. Now I'm gonna show you guys how it can. See that, boys, doesn't it look cool? It looks sick. And I'm gonna choose file and now convert it to MKV. Okay, so we are gonna go on the video, and now it's selected. We just want to go on the preset and choose it to 1280 x 720 HD 60 fps. Okay, now don't do anything, just hit the convert file, and it's gonna convert to MP4. Okay, I'm gonna put the link straight here to convert to MP4. You guys don't get confused or stuff like that, because there are, you can select it from here. If you get confused a little bit and you messed up, then you can select here to convert to MP4. Okay, now it's just gonna take this time 12.05 MB, and I'm gonna show you guys that it works actually, and it's gonna convert your file to MP4 as well. And the same is for outros. Okay, you guys just need to choose one outro from here. Let me give an example. For example, if you want to do this outro, okay, you guys just gonna select it, open in clip maker, just go and change the text. Like, first let it load, go here on this thingy. Wait, where is it? Yeah, we are gonna choose this like that, and boom. Yeah, so this is what you need. It's so simple as easy. You just need to go and download this, because some of these are like basically already like texts are already given, like thanks for watching, playlist, previous, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you guys can set this up in the YouTube. Once you upload your video on YouTube, you guys can select it on YouTube as well, like where you should put your previous video, where you should put your playlist video. Okay, so yeah, you guys, it's the same process for outros as well. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys that it is done. These are all the sync outros as well. Here you go, our video is converted to MP4, video.mp4. I'm gonna open it and show you guys that it is actually converted to MP4. Okay, and yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, because it took a little bit of your time, but you guys learned how to do this and all these sick intros and outros, man. See, and I'm gonna show you guys my outros. Okay, video is converted to MP4. Now what you need to do is, I'm also gonna show you guys that it is actually converted to MP4. Let me wait for a second. Boom, and MP4 file. Okay, and this one previously it was this one, MKV5. Boom guys, that is how you do it. And same process is for outros. I'm gonna show you guys my outro as well. So this is my outro. Basically I put this on my video. So basically this is how you do it guys. That's gonna be it guys. I hope you guys liked the video and I see you all in the next video. Goodbye.